Hello Disney Ohana. Today we're going to experience a preview of Tiana's Bayou adventure at the Magic Kingdom. It's going to be Christy and I enjoying the ride, so come along with us. Let's have a great big beautiful day and have some fun. We are here for check-in for the event. Let's go. And now we've got our ticket to entry for Tiana's Bayou adventure. Look at that. We even get our own special entrance into the Magic Kingdom. And there she is, Tiana's Bayou adventure. Let's get a closer look. Here's, of course, the drop point where they just finished their 90-footish type drop. I'm sure they enjoyed their ride. We're going to enjoy it here very soon. And even a closer look of the famous drop. We made it into the queue, and the moment you step into the queue area, you hear the mixture of jazz and zydeco music that's specifically made for this attraction. Really cool. Let's see what the rest of the queue looks like. We have a little children's garden here. Showing of celery, onions, and it looks like princess peppers. And of course it wouldn't be New Orleans without your okra. I love okra. On the side of the building before we enter the indoor portion of the queue, you have this design, very cool, with a nice little wagon here for Tiana's Foods. Never ever lose sight of what's really important. And even some Tiana Foods crates right over there. And then up here, we've got the entrance to Tiana's Foods, main entrance, and indication of the 50-foot plunge ahead. I know I said 90 feet. It's actually 50, but it's still a mighty drop nonetheless. Inside the indoor portion, we've got a little newspaper. And then take a look. Some aprons, time cards, and even some ingredients there on the shelving. Tiana's Palace. Make your reservation today. Enjoy jazz and New Orleans cuisine on the bank of the Mississippi River. We made it to the upstairs portion of the queue, and you've got numerous awards here. And a photo of Tiana with her parents. Right there. A little room with more ingredients. And take a look at the different icons from the movies. And just the theming here. Very cool. A lot to go through, but let's see what they have. And then, of course, the famous beignets that she's known for. Take a look at that. And as we get closer to the ride, safety first message. And of course, what would a water ride be without a warning that you may get wet? And if you don't want to ride, here is your last chance to exit. Since it is a water ride, we're going to bring the GoPro on, and we've got the front row. You ready, Christy?
I'm ready, let's go! Put your sunglasses there.
You ready, Christy?
I'm ready!
Do this. And a cool view of the final drop at the end. Making me hungry for some gumbo right now.
Oh, Chris dancing.
Hello? Anyone down here who can blow a horn and jam? Hello?
Oh, yeah,
I like the view here of the tower. Never ever lose sight of what's really important.
You're looking on riches, you don't have far to go.
Go! First stop!
yeah!
Oh, it got wet. Of course. Lewis.
Tiana wasn't cute, y'all. This Zydeco band she found can play. Hallelujah!
I would love for y'all to play at my party tonight. They can play, no doubt. We'll ask them to join the band for sure.
Listen to this. These cats can play.
I'm asking all of them to play at the party, but we've got to keep searching high and low.
How long can I go?
Unusual places hide unusual talent.
Where did they go?
Don't know.
We have to find them.
I think we got a little wet.
Yeah!
That's the way to go.
Yeah, it's still the same one that you have
Pretty waterfall.
Sure knows how to make a party special. Yes, feel it out with special people like
Just getting off that ride, it was a whole lot of fun. I love Splash Mountain, but with the way Tiana's Bayou Adventure is, I don't miss it. I love the ride, I love the theming. It was just the whole storyline behind it. It was great, it was amazing. Let us know what you think in the comments. Of course, if you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and make sure you ring that bell for any future video updates. But until next time, I do hope you have a great, big, beautiful day, and we will see you real soon.